Welcome to another video on the NeTech channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on the Save Search filter on your Google Chrome. Now, what the Save Search filter does is to help you filter inappropriate content of your Google Chrome browser. And this is especially useful when you have kids, families, and friends using your browser and you wouldn't want inappropriate or pornographic content or any other kind of content to be accessible through the browser. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that Chrome is installed on your device, and then you'd want to launch the browser. So the next thing is to click on the three ellipses menu on the top right corner of your screen, and then click on settings, then click on privacy and security right under basics. So from here, just scroll down to security and click on save browsing. All right. So right on save browsing, you'd want to pick on the first option, which is the enhanced protection. So have that activated, then use the back button just on the top left side of save browsing, and then scroll down a little bit to use secure DNS. Click on that and then make sure that secure DNS is actually turned on, and then click on choose another provider, and from the drop down you'd want to select clean browsing family filter. So that way you are successfully filtered inappropriate content of your Google Chrome browser. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and share the video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.